May 6th. So 6 days into the month, we do what we always do, zoom out to the monthly. And on the monthly, right, really starting to kind of form that balance at about a quarter of the way in, I guess. Um, I think a good point to look for would be probably the 50% mark. Where's the half back from this swing high to swing low? And that's basically about the 51.57. So you got your monthly half back, 51.57. Another key level to pay attention to would be the previous month's close, right? And that's that 50.67. But in order to kind of iron out some better levels, we're going to have to really kind of dive into a shorter time frame chart. And you can see on the weekly here, still inside this big previous down week. So that previous week's open and high are going to be, really into play. And that's going to be your 52.13 and 52.11 half. Of course, we're going to want to be paying attention to this week as well because you can see it. We've colored it blue here, which means technically it's green, but because it's the way that it's coming, it turns blue, which is indicating a momentum shift. And so we, want to be watching that the settle from last week, which was the 51.54.75 is going to be a very key level. If you can, and you can see we're trading up at 74 right now, but if it gets below that level, we may see a bit of liquidation. So it's going to be a key level that you're going to want to be paying attention on your chart. Maybe we don't see it today, maybe we do, but at some point it'll probably be a reactionary level. So keep track of it. On the daily, you can see we finished up. You got that cessation of one time framing, you got that gap, it held. We're trading up here at 75, like I said. You've got that 51.80 level up here, and then we've got an equilibrium 52.43. Now, switching over to the profiles, you can kind of see overnight inventory, right, trading a little bit higher here. We've still got this gap below, and remember, on a larger time frame, we're kind of breaking out of this balance, so getting confirmation above Friday's close is going to be key. Like we said, Friday's close 51.54.75, so be careful of a pullback. It looks like we're going to be opening up on a little bit of a gap as well. Some news this afternoon, Barkin, Williams, but other than that, not really anything. So today, really, yeah, basically from like that 51.60. Yeah, so if you get a little bit of a pullback here on the open, back into yesterday's range that finds support above that 51.60, I think you probably get a nice opportunity to trade back into some previous single prints that we haven't traded before, right? That's that 96, 92 area, 5200. So kind of a real round number up there. It would make sense. And I also think failure to get there is a big indication as well today. So just because we're so close and the momentum is really on the buy side, that should they not continue to buy this thing up, then you're probably going to get a reversal from there. And that's probably going to take you back down to this kind of weak spot and back to a previous COTS VPOC. Yeah, so that's pretty much the only plans today. Is really, is there a pullback? If there's no pullback, obviously just keep going up. Um, but if there is a pullback that breaks below this 60-64 level, looks like we probably get a drop into that weak spot. And if there's no buyers there, then then we kind of see what it's doing. That poor low from Friday is going to be in play as well. But other than that, that is pretty much it. You guys have a wonderful day. Make sure you're managing risk and sticking to your trade plan, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.